we are, American River. Ooh. Say hello to the girls. There they are. Ooh. Right now we're we're walking down here to the river. Our campfire area. Right here, see? Ta-da. Which we will be camping out. And this is our view. Yes, the American River. I'm like Huell Hauser. Ha! This is the American River. This is the American River. This is where the gold country started out, right here in the American River. We're going to be rafting on this river, and we're going to see Ranger Rick, and Ranger Rick is going to show us all the Whitewater and all the terrific areas of the American River tomorrow. But here, come on down, we'll take a view. This is where the gold rush, we're really close to Sutter's Mill. If you remember Sutter's Mill, and the 49ers came out here. Not the football team, mind you, but the real 49ers. They had the pans and they had picks and they were hunting for gold and their fortunes right here on the American River in California, right near Sacramento, the capital city of California. The American River. How beautiful and gorgeous this scenery is. Come over here, look at this. Look, I think I see some blackberries. Yes, I think I see some blackberries right over here. Now, come on over, look at this. It's a blackberry bush where they've got real blackberries. Look at the, ow, thorns. But look at those blackberries right there hanging on the vine. I'm just gonna have to taste one of these right here. I think they're poison. Well, Jerry, how's everything going here on the American River?
Just fine, Hugh.
There you go. I was just telling all the folks how we're going to be river rafting with Ranger Rick tomorrow down the American River. He's going to show us all the different sights and sounds that you can hear on what?
Is that thing on record still?
Yes.
Oh my God, Dad, you need to stop it right now.
No, and I found all those blackberries. Those blackberries were absolutely delicious.
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious?
On my hat.
There's a lot of bears and wildlife here on the American River, and oh, lo and behold, look over here.
Bears?
It's a scary bear. Right here on the American River, coming behind. It's a special bear.
You're insane. I
That's pretty frightening. We'll talk to you later because... Help! I'm dying! What?
I saw 3 spiders in the background. One spot.
You're having fun.
I'm having a very good time.
That's Lindsay's chair, Dad.
you know, she can't survive that.
We can't. Don't you want to sit next to me?
This is a controlled fire.
Fire took out good, didn't it?
Oh, it turned out perfect. Mommy! There's my mommy.
Megan pushed me down in the tent. I'm really hurt now.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if I can go. Huh?
Yes?
Oh, well, hello, sir. Good morning. It's a lovely day here at the river. Lovely day. It hurt me. I don't think so, because it's gonna. It's so stealth. Like that's like I'm not gonna notice that one. Okay.